All right, guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new smart lights. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go and take a look at them. So I thought these would be cool for like your gaming setup. I'll probably put them in my gaming setup, or I'll put them in my living room. These are going to be some of the coolest lights I got. All right, you get your instruction manuals right here. These look like little pins to put them up. Power cable. Controller. And these look like little sticky tabs for them. Oh, very cool. Check that out. All right, so you get a total of 10 different panels all right here. I'm gonna hook them up, but what's cool is you can control them from your smartphone. You can control them from the control. They go with sound, so whatever you're playing as far as either music, movies, your lights are gonna go with them. So let's go ahead and hook them up and see what they look like. All right, so first you're gonna wanna download that Smart Life app. This is kind of where the magic happens. Once you download the app and connected your lights to them, you'll have full control over every feature, from adjusting colors, brightness, and even effects, all at your fingertips. You can choose from an endless amount of color palettes, whether you want something cool and calming or bright and vibrant. It's all customizable. Plus the dynamic presets, you can quickly set your lights to modes like rainbow gradients or soft ambient lighting just with a tap. But it gets better. There's intelligent scheduling built into the app as well. You can set the lights to turn on automatically and wake you up, giving you a gentle light to start the day. Or you can schedule them to turn off as you wind down at the night, setting a cozy and relaxed atmosphere so you can head to bed. Now, if you got an Alexa or a Google Assistant, you don't even need to touch your phone or the remote. Just say, Alexa, turn on lights, or whatever color fits your mood, and it's done. No fuss. One of the coolest features has to be the music sync. Turn your favorite playlist and watch the lights react to your beat. It's wild for parties or just chilling at home. It's like having a mini light show wherever you want. And if you're a gamer, these lights are a solid addition to your setup. As you can see, I did that with mine. You can sync them up to match whatever you're playing, and it makes the whole experience way more immersive. Whether you want fast color changes for intense gameplay or something more chill for slower moments, the app gives you complete control. These can also be really cool for like a bedroom, whether it's for like your kids or for yours. Especially if you love to customize your space, these lights give you the total freedom to do that. From studying or just hanging out with friends, they can change the whole vibe of the room in seconds. And if the design is your thing, these panels look super sleek. The rectangle shape gives them the clean, modern look, so they fit in pretty much with any decor. You can get really creative with how you set them up, whether you're going for something low-key or more of a bold statement. As you can see, I kind of designed more of a pyramid looking with mine. Overall, the possibilities with these lights are pretty endless. You've got the full app control, voice commands, music sync, and design that you can totally transform your space. Whether you're decking out your game room or just want to add some personality to a bedroom, these lights are fun, easy way to make that happen. So if you're looking for some cool, modern, smart lights, definitely look into these. I'm going to leave that link down below. Highly recommend. Definitely a 10 out of 10.